Okay, on this Volvo V40 2001, it has a leak, and it was hard to determine where it's leaking from. It would just get on this, on the inside, and on that side too, and the whole headliner came off. And the reason is right here, there's actually rust. There's rust right under this weather strip or molding. Somehow the rust appeared over there, and this glue, black glue, or the sealant actually came off from the metal itself, and now the water gets right under there. So what I suggest you do is fill this up all the way up with a clear 100% rubber silicone, and just put this on back and wipe off the excess, and you should be good. If this video was helpful, like and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.